Are you ready?
I am.
Huge surprise. This is amazing.
Please marry me.
Say this.
Be my woman. Be my wife.
Yes, I will. Yes.
Congratulations.
Congrats. Congratulations.
Cat got your tongue, huh?
Benita.
I bet I'm the last person you thought you would see today. Felix, did you think you would get away with stealing over 100 million from me? After everything I did for you, I should have listened to my parents.
Benny?
Yes, ma'am.
Your 28th birthday is around the corner. What's your plan? Are you having a party?
Honestly, I didn't have plans on having one. My friends are insisting I have a party.
Well, I agree with you, friends. Every age is a milestone and should be celebrated.
Right. I'll think about it and see what I can do.
Okay. So tell us, are you saying someone because you have been keeping late nights this month?
Mommy.
What? You're almost 30. You should be talking about getting married.
Mommy, can you not start with this marriage talk this morning? And I've told you I've been keeping late nights. I'm trying to make junior partner, and the only way I can do that is by showing the senior partners what I'm capable of.
Partner? Benny, I'm talking about you. Getting married and you're talking about making partner. Listen, having children is the most important legacy. Believe me, it is important.
Well, I'm seeing nothing wrong in Penny focusing on her career. It shows that she's driven and hardworking. And any man who is fortunate enough to marry her should consider himself very lucky.
Oh.
That's the way I see it.
Okay, thank you. Thanks, Daddy.
Oh, drink.
You're the one encouraging her on her nonchalant attitude of getting a husband. Career is also important. But children are the best legacy ever.
Mom,
You know that.
I think you're getting all this wrong. I don't have an issue with marriage. In fact, I'm looking forward to starting my own family soon. But I'm not going to settle for less simply because I'm turning 30 soon.
I didn't say you should settle for just anyone. All I am saying is that you should put more effort in finding a husband. Just like you are doing in becoming a junior partner at your firm. Just that.
I've heard you.
My daughter's appointment is in an hour. So I need to go get ready. Fix myself. I'm your mother. I know what is good for you.
I know. I love you.
I love you too, honey.
Do you think Mom is right?
Well, only you knows what's best for you. Career, family, kids, spouse are equally important, but I believe when the timing is right, everything will fall in place. I don't want you to think about it. Okay? Secretly.
I've never seen you being all worked up over a date.
I think my mom is getting into my head.
Your mom? How?
She recently said I am not taking getting married seriously and I need to put in more effort into settling down.
Ah, I see. I know that's the general language for every Nigerian mother. Those women are something else. My mom tells me the same. And she never stops reminding me, hey, at your age, I already had you. Really?
How do you handle the pressure then?
My dear, very simple. I just tune her out of my mind. Take her out of my head. Whenever she's talking.
But don't you think our moms may be right? Yeah, maybe we need to actually put in more effort into settling down.
Are you serious? It's so easy for you to say. Well, it was easier then because, they were willing to be the traditional housewives and do whatever their husband says or wants.
I can't imagine being that woman.
I too. And trust me, baby girl, that's why we're still single. Trust me, baby girl, now the women have evolved, while the men still remain cavemen.
The walls have ears. Let's just hope my date isn't a caveman.
Let's pray so too.
This. What do I wear? Which one are you going to pick? I just want to. Any of this.
I think you go for the pink, but making it like a child. Go, yes. This says, cool, take me, I'm beautiful, I'm nice.
Are you sure? What about this?
This one.
This?
Say, take me, want me, I'm available, I'm pretty, I'm decent, I'm a baby girl, I'm forever yours.
Have you been to Hawaii?
No, I haven't.
It's a fine place. I've been there. Very beautiful place.
Yeah?
In fact, I spent my summer there. I'll take you there. I'll take you there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't worry. I've been to so many beautiful places. Beautiful, beautiful places. As a matter of fact, yeah, did I tell you Did I tell you that I've traveled to over 32 countries and counting?
You've said that more than 5 times already.
Yeah. Did I? Even at that. At that. And that. Don't worry. I'll take you to beautiful places in the world. Round the globe. Places that you could only have imagined in your head. And when we get there, I will buy you top quality clothes from top designers in the world. Not these cheap things that you people are wearing.
Excuse you. I like my outfit, thank you. Moreover, this piece is from a top Nigerian designer brand. I believe we should patronize our own brand more often.
Nigerian brand. Nigerian designer. Well, just eat your food. This food is trash. It's not delicious at all. Have you been to China?
Yes, I have. Twice.
Now tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. Can you compare the rice you ate in China to this rubbish you are eating here?
If you were very smart, you would know that the Chinese rice is the traditional food of China. You can't compare this to the one they cook there. But that doesn't mean our own food isn't unique.
But we could still do better. It's tasteless. We don't want to waste money. That's why I'm eating it. See, I'll take you around the world. I've been to Italy. The pasta in Italy is something else. See, let me lecture you. Florence is a small city, but their food is known globally. I will take you there. I'll take you there. Just manage this thing. It's not good to buy food and waste it. That's why we have to finish it. Manage. Manage.
Worst date ever. That guy is such a pompous idiot. Like, I'm not even kidding. Okay. He kept going on how he was going to take me to different countries, how he's been to over 32 countries. And you needed to have seen the way he was eating. He was irritating, disgusting. I've never seen somebody so annoying. I like slapping the idiot.
So there won't be a second date then?
What stupid second date? Over my dead body. In fact, I'm blocking his silly ass right now.
I'm so sorry, dear. I knew how much you were looking forward to the date.
Just so pissed, but it's fine. I'm glad I'm out of there. He was just eating like somebody that hasn't eaten for, let me say, over 10 years. What is wrong with this car? What is wrong with it? Where's that from? What's going on? This is so hot. Michael, where are you? I don't know, my car just... It was jerking and I had to stop. I don't know what's wrong with it. I should check where. You know I don't know anything about cars now. Where do I want to start from? Michael, can you just help me, please?
Hi.
I'll call you back.
Do you need help?
Yes, I really need help. Please, my car is jerking and I don't know anything about it. I don't know.
Okay, don't worry. I will assist you, right? If I don't know how to fix it, I will call a mechanic. There's one mechanic there. I'll call one
There's
for you.
one?
Yes.
Oh
Don't worry.
goodness.
Can I have your car key?
Sure, thank you.
All right.
Thank you
Let me
so
check
much,
up
okay?
something now.
Just help me. My bag. Okay.
Oh, wow. So it's fine now, right? It's okay now.
Just hold on.
Okay. I trust you now. Eh? I trust you. Nice one. Power! Nice one. Oh, wow. It's okay. She wants to go. Hey, don't worry. She will give you something, yeah? Don't worry.
Thank you so much.
Everything is fine now, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Perfect.
Good. I told you. He's
okay.
good.
Money. It's complete.
Yeah. Enjoy.
Balls.
Enjoy.
Balls.
Enjoy. All the
Thank you,
best.
sir.
All right.
Thank you.
So I will have to leave. You're good now, right?
Thank you so much. Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I'll leave.
My name is Benita.
Okay.
You're
I'm Felix.
Felix. I can't say thank you enough, but thank you. Thank you for coming to my rescue.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I'll have to leave now. I want to go and pick up something down there.
Okay, I don't mind. I can just drop you off.
No, don't worry yourself.
I
I'm fine.
insist. This is the least I can do, honestly. You're my lifesaver right now, so please let me drop you off. Please.
Okay. Say no more.
Just get
Fine.
lucky. Thank you
Alright.
so much. Goodness me. Oh my God. So I have a BSc in accounting, but I work at a finance institute.
Wow, that's super nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What about you?
Well, I studied food science and technology.
Oh,
Yeah.
where do you work?
Well, I'm currently in between jobs. Yes. My company laid off 80% of their staff, and unfortunately, I was one of them.
Sorry about that.
It's fine.
But I'm sure something else will come up soon.
Well, I hope so, even though companies are not really hiring.
You have to stay positive. Okay?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much for the ride.
You're welcome.
I'll have to go now. Can I please call you, if you don't mind? I need your number.
Sure, that's fine. Okay. I hope you call.
I will. All right.
Benita.
I know.
Thank you once again.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you.
Bye.
Bye. Mommy, it's not overly priced. It's a good spa.
What do you mean by good spa? Eh? You love spending money unnecessarily. She is charging 40,000 naira. 40,000. As in 40,000. Just for spa. Ordinary spa. Not this one they are doing with light masks and the gold stuffs.
Wait, Mommy, light mask? Mommy, it's lead mask.
Whatever.
Okay.
Isn't it you're laughing at?
I'm sorry, light mask. I'm sorry, Mommy, let me take this call. Hello.
Hello, Benita. It's Felix. How are you doing?
Oh, Felix. Hi.
I'm fine. Are you at work?
No, it's Saturday and I don't work on Saturdays.
Right. Would you like to hang out with me tomorrow? We can go and see a movie, have drinks somewhere nice after
Okay, that's fine.
How is 4 p.m.?
Sure, that's fine.
Okay. I'll text you where to meet me tomorrow. Take care.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Wow. Somebody has a new boyfriend.
Boyfriend? Mom, this is someone I met yesterday.
Where?
On the road. He helped me with my car.
Oh, see. So nice. So where is he taking you? Today?
Tomorrow. And I don't know yet. Okay?
Okay. Let me tell you. You have to dress decently. Very nice. You know Nigerian men, they don't like people, especially girls, who exposes their cleavages all in the name of fashion. They could like you for hanging out, parties, but when they want to marry, trust me, they'll go for decent ones. Well-behaved, well-dressed, highly intelligent, classy.
Mommy? How did we arrive at marriage? Like, how did this marriage conversation start?
Well,
Mommy,
you
this
are...
is just a date. Please, don't get your hopes high. It's just a date.
You never can tell.
I don't even know this guy. I barely know him.
But you have to get prepared.
Oh my God. Please, I'm booking you the
No.
Mommy, you're going to that
we're
spa.
not doing this. We're going to your room to select clothes, shoe.
No, let's book
changing
your spa
hair.
first.
No. Come on, let's
Mommy.
go.
Yes.
So tell me, did you enjoy the movie?
I did. Honestly, I did, but I prefer rom-coms to other genre.
Oh, wow. You are 19% of the ladies.
Well, it's not my fault. I'm a hopeless romantic.
Really?
Yes. Okay, I'm about to embarrass myself, but I'm going to say it regardless. You know, sometimes when I watch romantic movies, I end up crying.
Oh. Interesting.
Yeah. So what about you? What are
Well,
you into?
for me, I go for actions and thrillers.
Man.
Okay,
Okay, but if you had to pick, which would you pick?
action.
You're such a guy.
Oh yeah, guilty. I cannot deny that.
I really don't know how you guys enjoy watching action movies.
I love actions.
No, not for me. Definitely not for me. Not for me.
You had fun, right?
Yeah, I had a great time.
Me too. We can do this again.
I would like that.
So how did the date go?
It was nice. I really like him.
Wow. Good for you.
Thank you. Honestly, Jacinta, he's so calm, level-headed. You know, my typical kind of guy.
Nice. So, what next?
We kind of kissed after the date. Look, he seems like he's quite into me like I am into him.
That was fast. Especially for you.
I know. But everything just happened naturally. It wasn't forced.
The way you're sounding, it seems as though he's the one. So, what are you going to do? Has he asked you to be his girlfriend?
Not yet. But I feel like he will soon.
Okay. But
Meeting.
Oh,
my
that.
goodness.
Boy, it's in the next 30 minutes.
We have to still prepare.
I hope you have your presentation ready.
Don't you trust me again? Everything is ready. ready.
All right, see you later.
Okay. Bye.
Babe, I want us to be official.
You do?
Yes. I'm serious about this.
So what are you saying?
I'm saying that I want you to be my girlfriend. And I want us to be in an exclusive relationship. What do you say?
I say yes, and I want that too. Are you serious?
So I will make a transfer to you now. I will transfer 200,000 naira to cover all the expenses, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Samuel will take you to the market when you're ready. You can go. And who is my daughter chatting with that is making her blush like a little girl?
Mom.
Well, his name is Felix.
Felix. Interesting. So how come I am hearing about Felix just now?
Mommy, he's the same guy I told you I was going out on a date with.
Really? So he's your boyfriend now?
Yes.
Then invite him over so that we can meet him.
Isn't that too soon?
No!
I don't want to scare him off, Mom.
You're not scaring him. Listen, my dear. Any good man with good intentions will never be shy meeting your parents. Your father insisted on meeting your grandparents the first day he set an eyes on me because he said he knew I would be his wife, so he didn't waste any time.
That's sweet.
Oh, your father is such a sweetheart.
Okay. It's okay. It's okay enough of you two. You win.
Okay.
I'll invite him over.
Do that. Just give me heads up, okay? Anytime you confirm the date, I'll tell Remy. Cook something nice for him.
Thank you, Mom. You're the best.
All right.
Thank you.
So chat him up. Tell him
You can go now, Mom.
No, tell him mommy is longing
Mommy, you
to
can go.
see
You
him.
want to
Is he
intrude
tall?
in my conversation.
I want to know.
You'll see him. If I hid him in my hair. Okay.
I'm fixing it well.
Thank you, Fixer. Yeah. I would like you to meet my parents.
Okay. When? What?
I wasn't expecting that answer.
What were you expecting?
I was thinking you would say it's too soon.
Benita, I really love you.
And I told you that I would want us to be serious. Meeting your family is a yes for me. I'm open. So anytime you want us to go, I'll go with you.
Okay. Okay.
Isn't there something you would love to tell me?
Something like what?
I just told you that I love you, and are you pretending you didn't hear that?
Well, thank you for loving me.
Is that all you have to say to me? You don't want to say it back?
Are you trying to force me to say it back?
And if I force you?
You can't.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Then watch me do it.
No, wait, no. See,
Alright, say it.
Stop. No,
Say it
I will
now.
not.
Say it.
No.
Say
Okay,
it
fine.
now. Alright, say it, say it.
I'll say it.
I say it. I'm waiting.
Just listen.
Say it,
Wait.
say it.
I'll just calm down. I'll say it.
Say it.
I love you too.
Good.
Happy?
Oh yeah, I'm happy. Promise me that you're not going to grow fat when we get married. Yes, because I like you the way you are, and I would want my wife to remain like this.
Are you trying to say I'm fat?
I never said so. Just that I would want you to have it in your mind that when we get married, I want my wife like this. Even when you give birth to 1, 2, 3, you will remain slim and handy for daddy.
Wow. Here I was thinking I was on the slim side.
Maybe a little slimmer. Just trim down a bit. I like it that way.
No sex. No sex, okay?
I know. But I would want to feel it more.
Babe. Remember what I said, okay? Babe, I made a promise to God that the next man I was going to lay in bed with will have to be my husband.
Okay.
Are you sure you're cool with this?
What I feel for you, Benita, is beyond sex. Yeah. I'll wait as long as you want.
Thank you for understanding.
You're welcome. So, feel free to come back. Opposition. No sex.
Yeah.
But I can continue over here.
Yeah, you can do that.
He isn't here?
Not yet, Mom. Well, he said he'll be here soon.
Lateness isn't good with first impression, though.
I'm sorry, Daddy. I'm sure he'll be here soon. Mommy, are you sure you don't need my help in the kitchen?
No, my dear. Everything is ready. Remy will be fixing the table very soon.
Oh. Hey, where are you? Okay, I'm coming.
Is he here?
Let me go get him.
Felix,
Ma'am?
what do you do for a living?
I studied food science and technology and was working with one of the food processing companies until 80% of their staff were laid off.
Oh, so sad. So what are you doing?
I'm currently in between jobs, sir. Although I create websites for companies as side gig up until I get a new job.
So does it pay well?
Well, I won't say so well, but it's a good side. I'm managing it at the moment till I get something good.
It's okay. Eat.
Thank you, man. The food is delicious, ma.
Thank you. Remy, our chef. She's a fantastic cook.
So, are you searching for a new job yet?
Yes, sir. I applied to so many companies, but I'm yet to hear from them.
Don't worry yourself. Very soon, one of them will come through.
I hope so. Thank you.
Maybe you give me your CV so I can help get you a new job.
Oh, thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Daddy.
Oh, that reminds me, we have dessert. So who is ready?
Definitely not me, Mommy. I can't even finish this. I'm so full.
Don't tell me you joined a group of weight losers. Because you look perfect the way you look. Tell her.
Oh yes, Mom is right. You're perfect.
I thought you wanted me to lose some weight.
Not really. I was joking. You're perfect the way you are.
Okay. You say so.
Felix? Has Benita told you she's traveling to UK for a professional course? In business?
I haven't told him yet, Mom.
That's fine.
Oh, a whole 1 year in the UK.
12 months?
12 months.
And I'm hearing this just now.
Sorry, I was going to tell you next week.
Eight.
It's
So, once we finish, you take the dessert? Because I love it. I love food.
Thank you.
Yes. You will eat too. Of course, you know you will eat. And you're my honey. So, about traveling, she has a lot to
Mommy,
pack.
can we just eat?
Oh,
she's right.
yeah. My manners. Pardon me.
Mom? Dad? What do you think about Felix?
Oh, well, he's such an interesting young man.
Interesting.
We don't like him.
Why?
Well, he seems like a manipulative type.
Manipulative? How, Mom?
Well, telling you to lose weight and pretending he didn't is a red flag.
Come on, Mommy. He was just kidding. You shouldn't judge him based on that. But is that what you think too?
I agree with your mother. That young man seemed a little too aggressive for my liking. There is just something about him that doesn't seem right with me. I must be frank.
I get it. I know why you don't like him. It's obviously because he is unemployed and doesn't come from a wealthy home.
You really think that we are that superficial? Oh, come on, I'm so disappointed.
Benita, how could you say that? Your father is a self-made man who worked hard to get everything he has. And you think Felix being unemployed is a reason not to like him? Your father even offered to help get him a job. So how could you?
I'm sorry I implied that. I just wanted you all to like him.
Do you love him?
Yes, I really do, Mom.
Maybe we have to invite him over again. We could be wrong about it.
That will be perfect. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
Sorry once again.
It's okay.
I'm sorry, Daddy.
Well, excuse me for a moment.
Daddy.
Honey?
I'm
Don't worry, I'll talk to him.
Thank you. Babe, I'm really sorry I did not tell you about the course. I applied long before we met, and it was a 50-50 chance. It's really difficult to get into this program.
Well, you knew you got in all this while, and you never said anything. Or were you planning to tell me a week before you leave?
Of course not. Do you want me to stay back?
Benita, our relationship is barely 1 month. If you leave for a year, I'm afraid this relationship will not survive.
Don't say that.
That's the truth, and you know it.
Fine. I won't go. I can always reapply next year.
No. I wouldn't want you to give up your dream because of me.
It's not because of you. It's for us.
Are you sure?
Very sure.
Benita, how are you doing?
Hi, Chris. What's up?
I'm good, Benita. How are you? Oh, but I found I don't chop.
Oh, yes. All thanks to my baby. She brought us food.
Yeah, our angel. Thanks a lot.
Huh?
Welcome.
What did you say?
She's our angel now.
Hey. You're not calling her our angel because of food.
That guy, food is life. I was even stepping out to get something for us to eat, so...
Well, go help yourself in the kitchen, right?
Let me go and eat. Very important. I'm hungry.
Yeah, eat now. See you then.
Bye, man.
All right.
Oh my goodness. Chris is hilarious.
Thanks for the food.
You're welcome. So are you okay now?
For now, let me say it's...
Sorry.
It's fine.
Why would you say you're not going for the course again? May I know why?
I can always go next year. It's not a big deal.
It is. You are choosing to throw away a lifetime opportunity because of a man. Do you know how stupid and foolish you're sounding right now?
Mommy, I never said it was because of Felix. you please stop twisting my words?
You don't have to tell me for me to know. It's clear. You are doing everything to satisfy him, including trying to give up your dreams.
Isn't that your dream? You've always wanted me to find a man and settle down. And I'm doing that, so why aren't you happy? Okay, I get it. It's because it's Felix, right? Because he isn't rich, he isn't sophisticated enough for you and Daddy, right?
You dare not play that sympathy card on me.
So why don't you and Daddy like
I'm not
him?
done talking. Don't play that sympathy card on me. Both of us know that's not the case.
Why don't you and Daddy like him?
Benita! I trained you better. Now listen. You are not going to throw this opportunity because of a month relationship. Your father and I have invested so much on your education, so you do as we say. Do you understand? Deal with it. Honey, stop. What you're doing is not good.
Oh, sorry about that. But I can't help it. I have sweet tooth.
It's high time you took doctor's orders very seriously. You promised you would.
It's going to be the last one.
That's what you always say. Stop. If you don't mind, let me make another tea for you.
Well, no, I will be fine.
Do you know how many cubes in there?
Good morning, Mom. Oh, good morning, darling.
Good morning, dear.
You're not having breakfast?
I'm late for work.
Not apple? Honey, I hope she doesn't ruin her future because of a man.
I believe she's smart not to fall for such banana peel.
What's the problem?
You remember I'm supposed to travel for the CFO program this summer?
Yeah, the 1 year thingy.
Well, I'm considering holding off until next year.
Why? What changed?
Felix, our relationship is barely 6 weeks. If I travel next month, it won't survive. Since our long distance relationship hardly ever survives. It hardly works, and I really want this to work.
Babe, I get you, okay? I understand what you're trying to say. But the thing is, this is what you've always wanted. Are you ready to give up on this thing? Don't you think it will affect your relationship too?
So what do you advise?
I think you should go. It's just 365 days. He will survive. If you ask me,
it's not longer time. So go.
I like this guy. I don't want to lose him.
Wait. Let me get something. Are you scared that you're going to cheat on him or you're going to meet someone else? I'm just asking.
Of course not. I'm all in, as in all in with him.
And what makes you think or believe that he's not all in with you too? What? Yeah.
You want to make this about me, right? You're too smart to this girl.
I got you there, yeah?
You did. So you're saying I should go?
Yes. This is what you've always wanted. So go. Go and be happy, girl.
I just know it. If my relationship should flop, I would hold you responsible.
Trust me, it's not. Okay? It's not. I have some things I need to do in the office. Just let me check up on you. Ta-da!
My parents are insisting I go for the course this summer.
Is that what you want?
Actually, yes.
Do you want to break up with me?
Of course not. Why would I do that?
What if you get there and meet someone else?
Babe, it's 1 year. I believe we can work things out. We can scale through. And why would I want to meet someone else when I have you? You are all I want, no one else.
It's okay. I believe you.
You do?
Yes. I'm very serious when I said I love you, Benita. I really do.
And I love you too.
Baby, please. Switch over to video. I want to see you.
Baby, the voice call is better.
Baby, please, now. I want to see you. I want to feel you. You know what I mean? I want us to,
I feel the same way too. But it's better if we wait.
You're a very strong-willed woman. And I like that.
Thank you. You know, I am investing my emotions into this, and I wouldn't want to confuse my focus. Sex is something we will always have for the rest of our lives, so I rush into it.
It's fine. I will wait, okay? I will wait for my baby.
Thank you. I love you. I'm missing you already, Mom.
I'll miss you too. This house is going to be so lonely without you around.
Mommy, it's just 1 year. Before you know it, I'll be back.
I know, but
Benny have to hit the road to avoid traffic.
Okay, Daddy.
Samuel, where's Samuel?
Oh, I don't know, but I've already instructed him what to do.
Okay, my love.
He will drop them off.
Sure.
I'll be going with him to the airport.
Oh, that's so sweet of you. Thank you.
Okay, Mommy.
We should not go in again.
Daddy.
Hey.
Oh, I'm missing you.
Enough. Crying.
Don't forget to call often.
Okay, Mom.
All right. Take care. Bye-bye. Honey, are you sure that this relationship of theirs will survive a time apart?
I doubt.
I'm missing her already.
You're missing her?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, babe.
How's the job hunt going?
Nothing yet.
I'm sorry, babe.
It's fine, babe.
I've been thinking about our future.
Okay.
I would like us to start a business you can manage and also get our own house.
Hey, babe, I do not want to talk about business now because I don't have any money with me. I don't have that kind of money, please.
I do, and I'd like to invest it in our future.
I can't let you, babe.
Maybe it's my decision. I have some money I've saved over the years, and I also have a trust fund.
Baby. This is not a good idea. You know it, right?
What do you mean? Oh, is it because I'm the one bringing the money?
Not really, but it's not sitting right with me.
Maybe it is really not a big deal. What is mine is yours, and what is yours is mine. Or am I wrong?
No. You know I can't do anything for you. You know that.
So why can't I do the same for you?
Okay. If you say so, it's fine. But what about your parents? You know how they see me.
You don't have to know. I'm old enough to make my own decisions.
Okay. You win.
I do. What I need you to do is think of a business you would like us to invest in. Something that interests you, and we'll decide how much capital is needed.
Okay, baby. I will search for it and then I'll get back with my findings.
Okay, I have to go now. Talk later. I trusted you wholeheartedly. I thought you loved me. I believed you loved me.
I'm sorry, Benita. I'm sorry for everything.
How long did it take for you to start seeing someone else after I left Nigeria? How long?
Please, don't do this here. Okay? Can you stop? Please.
Your babe don't come out too. Man, that babe love you die.
And I love her too. I love her so much.
Are you sure? Because I know you. Next thing now, you see on that new fine girl and you gotta fall in love with her.
Bro, don't say that, alright? I love my baby girl, so she's different. This one is different.
Are you saying that you're going to be faithful to this girl that has traveled for the whole 1 year?
Why not?
I know you're lying. You are lying. I can feel it, but I wouldn't want you to lose guard.
Bro, I don't know what you're talking about. Huh? I love my baby girl and I'll be faithful to her till she comes back.
You know, true love, they say, is very hard to find. Now you have one. I want you to value it, appreciate it, and don't take it for granted.
Okay. Right on, Pastor.
You and I know that I'm telling you the truth.
I've heard you now. Huh? What's the problem? I've heard you. Hi. How are you?
Fine.
My name is Felix. What about you? I'm sorry. I'm a friend, right?
No, you're not.
But you look so beautiful.
Thanks. My name is Adeze.
Adeze, you're elegant, so unmistakably perfect.
Thank you.
I know you're in a hurry, so I wouldn't want to waste your time. Can I call you? Can you give me a number so that I can call you some other time?
Are you married?
No.
Okay.
I'm single.
Fine. That means I can give you my number.
All right.
Adeze.
Beautiful Adeze.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Okay, I'll call you, right?
All right, I have to be on my way now.
It's fine. All the best. I'll
Thank
call you.
Bye. Taxi!
Sorry. Okay.
Felix. You know, it's not too many guys that have the privilege of having young, beautiful rich girls, fall head over heels in love with them as Benita does with you.
I don't get it. Where is this coming from?
Coming from the heart that cares and wouldn't want to hurt someone.
Bro, all I'm thinking now is the business I will do to make more money. Did you get it? So I don't know why you're talking about love.
Felix, you're unbelievable. Isn't love the reason Benita does all she's doing for you? So what do you mean? Yes.
Can you tell me the business you would want me to venture into?
I will not be a party to playing hanky-panky with Benita. Talking about the business that you want to venture into, I think you should go for interior design.
Yeah, interior designs. Yes, babe, everything home decor, from bathroom fittings to lightings and even furnitures.
Seems like you've given this a lot of thought.
Oh yes, babe. Oh yes, babe. I've done my research, and I must tell you, it's quite profitable.
Okay. How much do you think this will cost?
An old friend of mine said he will link me up with his Japan contacts, his supplier in Japan, and they will give me goods worth 50 million naira if I am able to raise 25 million.
And you're sure he's legit?
Oh yes, I'm sure. I know him. I trust him. Yes, he cannot do anything funny. I know him. I trust him well. But my fear, babe, my fear is that the amount is huge. I don't know. Do you have that kind of money?
I think I can raise that amount. Just give me a week to make a few arrangements.
Wow! Really?
Babe, I made a promise to you and I intend to keep it.
Thank you so much, baby. Thank you so much. This is huge. This is the best thing anyone have ever done for me.
Just keep loving me. That's all I need from you.
I will, baby girl. I will always love you. I will love you to the end of time. Yes, baby girl. Okay, fine. Hey. Thank you. Thank you! So tell me, what do you do when you're not working?
Well, I love going to the movies,
Okay.
traveling,
Okay.
reading, and dancing.
Dancing?
I just feel there's something really sensual about dance. I don't know, I just love it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Interesting. Do you have any particular kind of dance that you like?
I love all kinds of dance. I'm really good at salsa.
Oh.
I took a course a few years ago.
Interesting. I would love to see you dance.
Really? All right. If this date goes well, we could go dancing for our next date.
Oh, that will be fine. I'm open for anything. I'm open for it.
Don't you think you'd take that?
Oh, never mind. It's not important.
Okay.
So, tell me about yourself.
You first.
Oh, okay. Hello, babe.
I've been trying to reach you all day.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was busy.
How's the company setup going?
Hectic. It's quite difficult navigating without a car.
I can imagine. I promise to get you one soon.
Oh, really? That's so thoughtful of you, babe. Thank you so much. But, please, How soon will that be?
Very soon. I'm talking to my auto dealer friends to give us a car and I'll pay him in installments because I'm currently low cash.
Okay, but is this something he's willing to do?
I'm still trying to convince him, but I'm sure he will. I'll give him a 50% deposit and pay the rest within 6 to 12 months.
Oh, thank you so much, babe. Thank you. I appreciate this, right? Thank you.
Anything for you, darling.
Oh, wow. Babe, I need 4 million naira to pay for the space I got.
How soon?
As soon as possible so that I can secure the apartment.
I understand. Well, I'm also paying the first installment to our new house next
I
week.
know. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all you do for us, right? Thank you for all you do for me. I really appreciate you.
Alex, I hope you know I will do anything for you. I love you so much.
I love you so much, baby. I love you too. I love you.
I gave it some thought and I've decided our house should be in your name.
Really? Are you willing to do that for me, babe?
Babe, I want to spend the rest of my life with you. My money is our money.
Wow. Baby, you're my guardian angel. Thank you so much for all you do for me. You are the best thing that has happened to me. I am so lucky to have you.
I'm the lucky one.
Thank you. Yes, I'll call you back, right? Okay, no problem. Thank you so much, babe. I love you.
Wow,
Yeah, bro.
this guy is so nice and
That's my
sweet.
new ride, bro.
This is German machine,
That's
bro.
my new ride, bro.
Whoa, Benita, she's really trying for you, bro.
Oh yeah.
She's truly an angel.
Yeah.
So that girl, she's an angel.
Yes, she's God sent to me to change my life. She has tried for me. I mean, she has really tried for me. I really appreciate her.
She's not just your helper.
She's my helper.
She's also your wife. Felix.
Yes. And please, drop the wife thing. I'm not ready for now.
I don't get.
You heard me loud and clear. I don't want to marry her. I will not marry her. But yes, I met someone. I know she has tried for me. I know. I really appreciate her for that. I'm grateful. But I don't see myself marrying her. Yeah.
I don't understand. You don't see yourself marrying someone who have been there for you?
Bro, I said I met someone. This girl I'm talking about is super beautiful, alluring, intelligent. Like, she's a lawyer. You know, I love fair girls, and she's fair in complexion, and so
Interesting.
she's the one I'm going for. Her name is Adez.
So because she's a lawyer and because her name is Adiz, that's why you want to marry her.
Well,
Look,
I'll marry her.
I'm not in support of this. But I believe you're old enough to know what you want. If that's what you want, just know that I'm not in support of this one.
No problem, bro. I'm getting married to Adez. Thank you.
The good news is that we'll have a new ride!
Yeah.
So
yeah.
that's why we should celebrate now.
Yeah.
We'll have a new German machine, bro!
And when I get to that bridge, I know something will come up. But when I get to the bridge, I will cross it.
Let's see how that goes.
Yeah.
Whoa! We're gonna paint the town red, blue, any color.
Yeah.
If possible tonight.
Yeah. Nice one, go. Go. I trust you. Nice. Go for goal. Go for. Aye! Rubbish. Hello, baby. How are you?
Fine. How's your day?
Good?
Fine. How's the business going?
Business is slow at the moment, though it's expected.
Right. They'll pick up with time.
Yeah, quite so.
There's something I need to tell you.
Okay.
You know I'm supposed to be back in a month, right?
Yes, babe.
I have to be here for another 3 months. My course has been extended.
Oh, that's quite unfortunate.
I know you must be upset about this, babe. I'm really sorry.
Yeah, we'll have to wait for the next 3 months. Yeah. I'm not happy, baby girl. I'm not happy. Yeah, can I call you back tomorrow, please?
Okay. I love you.
I love you too, baby girl. I love you so much. Mwah. Yeah, talk to you tomorrow. 3 months. I wish it's 1 year. I'll be happy. Don't need you here. I need you here. How about you guys done? Hi.
Hey. You are welcome to my humble abode. Please
Well,
have a seat.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So what do I offer you? Something to drink? I have red wine, white wine, I have fresh juice. And
I
then-
got 2 things. Thank you.
You got me a shoe?
Oh, yes. I thought I should bring something for you while coming.
Thank you. I wasn't expecting it.
Well, I thought, as your man, it's my primary responsibility is to make sure you lack nothing and to take care of you.
My man?
Oh, yes. Oh, I'm sorry if I'm running so fast. But why wait?
Felix, I just met you. Like I barely know you. And you're already addressing yourself as my man.
Babe, what would you want to know about me? I am an open book.
You send me money without me asking. You buy me gifts, just like this one. You say you want to spoil me, yet I do not know what you do for a living.
Well, I told you that I run an interior decoration company.
Wouldn't you take your call?
Don't worry. The call can wait.
What if it's something important?
Baby, you're more important.
The company, like your company, where is it located?
Well,
Doesn't it have an address?
well, the reason I haven't invited you is because we just moved in to a bigger space. So we are setting up.
Why haven't you invited me to your place?
Because I do not want to mount pressure on here.
You seem to have an answer to every of my questions.
Well, let me say, because I don't lie to you, and I will never lie to you.
You want wine? I think you should have the red wine because there's this really nice wine I have. I'll quickly get it. Right? Thank you again.
Babe, I'm sorry.
Oh, please just keep quiet.
Adese, how did you know Benita?
Will you shut it, you con artist? I suspected you. I knew there was something fishy when you refused to take her calls in my presence. My intuition told me that there is something you were hiding. So I was determined to find out the truth. Hello?
Hi, beautiful. It's Felix, the guy you met at the supermarket earlier today.
Oh, Felix. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
Very well, thank you. And yours?
Nice. Adese, can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Are you married or in a relationship?
No, I'm not.
I can breathe.
Funny. Alright, it's my turn to ask a question.
Ask away.
What do you do for work?
I'm an entrepreneur. I deal on interior decors, everything decor. So what about you?
I am a criminal lawyer.
You are both intelligent and beautiful. I'm impressed.
Please don't tease me. Thank you.
What are you going to be doing tomorrow? Can I take you out for a lunch, if you don't mind?
Well, since you asked nicely, sure.
Okay. That's great. See you tomorrow then. Bye.
Alright. Bye. The way this guy spends money is suspicious. Most times I won't even ask him for a dime and he'll credit my account.
Babe, you're so lucky. Like, this is every woman's dream, to have a man that will spend without asking. So what is your problem?
This one is different. Something in my guts tells me that I should find out more about this guy before trusting him.
Okay, go on. Go ask questions. Probably you get what you want.
I've done that. Yet, I'm not satisfied with his answers.
Babe, honestly, you're stressing yourself for nothing. This guy loves you and is ready to spend on you. So, why all those question things? And please, you need to sit and enjoy his money. And stop all this instincts bullshit. Please. Beg, what did you cook? I'm hungry.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Adeze, Felix's girlfriend.
Girlfriend? That can be right, I'm his girlfriend.
There is so much I need to talk to you about.
Daisy.
Hi.
I cried so much on the plane. I didn't even think I had any tears left in me.
I saw all the chats and the receipts of the millions you've been sending to him.
It was for the new business. I sent him over 35 million. I got him a car, and the house is in his name.
Why would you do that?
Because I love him. I love him so much.
I understand you love him, right? But that was an unwise decision to make. Didn't your lawyer advise you?
He did. That's the funny thing, he did. But I wouldn't listen. My parents are not even aware of any of this because if they find out, they'll probably disown me. I can't believe I'm such a fool. I cannot believe this. I can't believe that Felix would do this to me. He would betray me like this. After everything. God.
I am a criminal lawyer. And I'll help you get everything back.
How? Felix will never voluntarily give the money. He won't give back anything.
Then we'll play him at his own game. The same way he tricked you into getting the money, car, house, whatever he got, we will trick him into getting it back. Alright? Trust me, we'll win.
Why are you doing this? If it's money you want, I don't have any left. I basically spent all my life savings on Felix. I don't have any money. I don't have anything.
I don't want your money, Benita. I just hate cheats and con men. Don't worry. We're going to get everything back, okay? Excuse me. Hi, dear.
Hi. To your place and you're at home.
I quickly stepped out to see a friend who just got into town.
Is it a guy?
Come on, a lady.
Okay. So when will you be home?
Say 2 hours.
Alright. I love you, baby girl.
Okay. I love you too. I'm sorry.
I want everything. Every damn thing.
Oh my goodness, babe.
Yeah.
This car is really nice.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. What model is it?
2019 GLE.
Wow.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
It must be pricey.
Oh yeah. Trust your baby boy.
Is it insured?
Not yet. Not yet.
Oh, babe. Please, you need to insure all your assets. Very important.
Okay. If you say so, I'll go buy it.
I know so. Don't worry, darling. I'll make all the necessary arrangements for you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. This is the reason I love you around.
Aww.
You're super smart, super intelligent, and beautiful.
Thank you. That's just too much. Thank you, my darling.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. So I'll do that, don't worry.
Alright.
Alright. Where am I taking my baby to?
How about we go to the Lebanese restaurant?
Lebanon.
Yeah, you love their menu.
Okay. I'm your driver. Take you there.
Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
Yeah? And here. Babe, are you sure you don't want to read through them?
Not really. I trust my baby girl. I trust you.
And I got you the best deals in insurance for everything.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay.
Anything for my baby.
I'm done.
Alright.
Yeah.
And I'll also need the original documents of all your assets so I can file them at work.
Oh, really?
I need to file them at work.
Okay. You did it for this?
Yes, babe.
Oh, it's fine. I will provide them for you, right?
Okay.
Good. Sit.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah.
What?
From the moment I met you at the grocery shop 5 months ago, I knew I wanted to spend the rest of my life with you. You are everything I ever dreamt of. Please don't say no. Will you marry me?
Yes, I will.
Thank you. Yeah. Are you okay? What's the problem?
Babe, I've always wanted a public engagement with friends and family, everyone to witness it. But this...
Say no more, babe. You will get your dream engagement. I promise you that.
You are such a wonderful man.
And you will make a beautiful wife to a wonderful man.
I love you.
I love you too.
All the papers you signed grants Benita here rightful ownership to everything. And then, the documents you gave me, the original documents, I've given it to Benita. She has everything back. And if you try to come after her, I will charge you with a criminal lawsuit, and trust me, you won't win.
Adese, why did you do this to me?
It is game over.
Benita, Adese. No! 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 No!